am standing outside of Riverside Creamery in Port Jarvis, New York. And this is the home of the famous deep fried ice cream. So let's go inside and let's see how it is. So they got so many different things on this menu.
Thank you so much. I've been wanting to get one of those for me.
So I can't wait. Can't wait.
Yeah, recording that.
Okay, so I want to record your reaction to see how this is. I always do it, but since I already know how this is going to taste, I want her to see what I'm talking about with this place.
I am a sugar master, so I have quite the judgment. Thank you, Lord, first off. Second off, let's go.